Instagram may finally let us add links to posts. This is a really weird story. This is a thing that drove me crazy since I started using the thing, because I'm always, promoting a video or something like this, sending people elsewhere. For a while, I was in the camp of, check the bio.
Yeah.
Oh!
Link in the bio.
Oh!
Yeah, it's gross.
It was bad, man. And then I just started saying, go check the channel. Or sometimes just new video. And that would be that. But I always dreamed of a future in which I could just post a link directly there in the post. And people could go straight where I told them.
That's the dream.
It's a dream. Instagram has been against it, for the record, because, well, they want to sell you advertising, so they don't want you easily moving people off the site. Nobody really does. None of these players really do. And in the early days, they said, we don't want to cloud, this is a pretty place. Everybody stays in Instagram. You're in Instagram land. Don't go linking out elsewhere. But then they kind of slipped up a little bit. Well, they didn't slip up. It was on purpose, but they let the links in a little bit on the stories with the swipe up. Now, apparently, they may take it to the next stage. And the reason we know this is because there's been a patent filing. And the patent filing is really interesting because the only way in which it suggests it would allow you to use a link is if you pay for it.
Oh.
$2. Right within the patent.
Per link?
Per link. Scroll down.
Oh.
Look at this. There it is. Hey, everyone, I just started designing my own jewelry. Come check it out on my new website. Then the link. And then it asks, do you want to activate that link in your caption for $2? Crazy. Weird kind of advertising. Just pay for a link.
It's just like straight up money.
Just straight up. $2. And I would do it. You want to know what's crazy? I would do it.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not a regular, I'm not
$2.
the average user promoting different things that I'm doing online. But I can make a case like in a lot of scenarios that could be helpful or useful or better for the audience to just have a link right there. So an interesting patent, Instagram would obviously make a boatload of money. I can understand people being upset. People would say, how dare you ask for $2 and then give other people the potential to link. But I mean, we've seen all kinds of boosted post stuff on Facebook and Instagram. Their businesses. And this would save a lot of people a lot of time, because I've had this conversation with others in the past. And a lot of people who do this stuff professionally could really make a case for spending the $2 every time.
Yeah.
But for the average person, I can see that being annoying.